I am Erica Russi Peterson with SpeakMethod.com. This is an introduction to the TH sounds. In American English, TH has two sounds. There is a soft TH and a hard TH. For both sounds, the basic positioning is the same. The tongue is either a little bit between the teeth or just behind and touching the front teeth. The soft TH vibrates like this. The hard TH pops out quickly like this. The. You don't want your tongue to touch the top of your mouth because that will cause the sound to be a D or a T sound. Let's practice just a few words with the soft TH. This, that, thus. Now the hard TH. Think, thank, thought. Let's compare. This, think. That, thank. Thus, thought. The soft TH is used in very common words, and the hard TH is used in most other words. Okay, this completes our introduction to the TH sound. Practice all the words at www.speakmethod.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.